Find dy by dx if y is equal to 1 upon x plus 2 upon x square plus 3 upon x cube plus 4 upon x raised to 4. अब यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव लेने से पहले ये टर्म्स को हम थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई करते हैं. So we have y is equal to 1 upon x का रेसिप्रोकल x raised to minus 1 plus 2 times 1 upon x square का रेसिप्रोकल x raised to minus 2. Similarly, we have 3 times x raised to minus 3 plus 4 times x raised to minus 4. तो ये सब terms x raised to n form में आ गए. And now we can differentiate with respect to x. So we get dy by dx is equal to, अब x raised to minus 1 का डेरिवेटिव होता है minus 1 into x raised to minus 2 plus 2 times, अब x raised to minus 2 का डेरिवेटिव is minus 2 times x raised to minus 3 plus 3 times x raised to minus 3 का डेरिवेटिव is minus 3 into x raised to minus 4 plus 4 times x raised to minus 4 का डेरिवेटिव is minus 4 into x raised to minus 5. And now we simplify this. इसे वापस डिनोमिनेटर में ले जाते हैं तो ये रहेगा minus 1 upon x square, 2 into minus 2 that is minus 4 और इसका रेसिप्रोकल तो अपॉन में आएगा x cube, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9 upon x raised to 4 and 4 into minus 4 that's minus 16 upon x raised to 5. So this is the value for dy by dx.